Now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. I greet you according to our time. Now welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how to cook this sweet, delicious native palm oil rice. Like this rice is so delicious. So today's video I will show you how to prepare this rice. This rice, like children love and so much. So if you want to know how to cook this rice, maybe you just continue to the wash. Okay. So for my pot, that na red oil, then I can put this na gizzard. I don't cook am already, 100% cook with seasoning. So I want just fry am for the palm oil small. So I can put am for my pan, then I can begin the fry. I beg, if today na the first day wey be say you dey see this my channel, may you not forget to subscribe. May you like this video, may you share. Okay, so now I don't fry am finish. Then now I want remove am. So I just fry am, make just brown small. So just to give her that nice taste. So I dey remove am now. After I remove am finish, then I can put onions. Then I can fry the onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, as you guys can see. So my people, I forget to tell now, as we dey cook, I will dey introduce the ingredients to now. Okay, now we dey see am. So now I don't fry the onions small. Then I can put my smoked mackerel fish. This smoked mackerel fish now me do by myself. If you want to know how to do it, I get the video, it dey my channel there. If you go check them out. So I just debone and remove the bone. I can put them inside the oil. Then my people, I can add fresh pepper, blended fresh pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. Then I can put my seasoning. You fit use any seasoning of your choice, okay? I can add curry, thyme. I can put black pepper. I dey like black pepper for this oil rice. For oil rice, I dey like black pepper well. Then I can put nutmeg, then salt, then crayfish. I just add everything, okay? You fit put any seasoning of your choice. As you guys can see, this na crayfish, blended crayfish. So you guys, if you had anything of your choice at this stage, okay, then I can stir everything together. Look at that. See as my house dey scent. Then I can cover am, make it cook. Please, I beg, if you don't watch me up to this time, make you not forget to like this video. Make you share with your loved ones, okay? Thank you for your understanding. Then I can come back again. Then I can add my parboiled rice. This rice I parboil am, okay? Then I can wash am. Then I can add my rice. My rice don dey scent everywhere, don dey scent already. Then I can stir everything together, so you guys can see. So my people, for garnishing and design, then I can put dry scent leaf. You fit use any leaf of your choice, okay my people? You fit use any leaf of your choice, but this na dry scent leaf. then I come add am, then I come stir am, I come cover am make e just simmer for like 1 minute. Walai, my rice is ready. Look at this rice. This rice tastes so yummy. Like, this rice tastes so good. So my people, wetin una think? This na wetin una go try. So una let me know for the comment section, okay? Una ignore the noise. My baby dey here dey make noise, so I have to make this video. So wetin una think? Now this na wetin una go dey try. This rice tastes so good, eh? So if you watch me up to this time, make you not forget to like this video, make you share, subscribe, leave a nice comment. My returning viewers, oh, I too like una do well. Now God will bless una. I dey see una handwork for my channel. So I will see una again for my next video. Now bye bye.